Hello, welcome to this SiteWiz tutorial on creating cut sheets in Pocket 3D. First, I'll select a polyline on screen by pressing it. Then I'll press and hold a blank space on screen and select Line Work, and then stake out polyline from the list. Here at the polyline stakeout page, we see I can change the mode of staking we will be performing. I'll keep it on running station as this will give me real-time station and offset values while moving along the line. Offset from polyline will stay as 0. I press OK. A window will pop up stating confirm cut fill to vertical offset of 0. I press yes. I'll travel to the line I want to stake, move until my offset reads as close to 0 as I desire for the given task. For this, I'd like sub 1 centimeter. And I press the enter button to record my point, which is the button indicated by the red arrow in this FC6000 image. This will bring up the measure stake window. Here, we can get the information we need to write on our stake, such as station, offset, and cut or fill. I'll press Save Point and this brings up the Topo Shot Details page, where I can name it and assign a description and the layer. I'll press OK to move on. Now, let's stake a 2-meter offset for this location. I'll simply move my rod until the offset value on the sidebar reads 2 meters and press the Enter button to take the shot. Now I will press Tools, Stakeout, and Stop Stakeout. Great! Now let's stake out a point. I'll zoom out and I'll change the target icon at the bottom right to a finger icon so I can drag and pan to the point I want to stake. After panning and zooming to the point, I will change the finder icon to a target icon at the bottom right and press the point to select it. Press and hold an empty point on the screen and select points and stakeout points from the list. I'll travel to my point, take a shot in the location of point 11 on the way, and then once I come within 1 meter of the point, a bullseye will come on screen, aiding me to hit the target. Once I'm happy with my location, I press Enter to store the shot. Once again, I'll press Tools, Stakeout, and Stop Stakeout. Now I'll press Tools and then Cut Sheets. Here we are presented with the Cut Sheets options page. I'll name the cut sheet, then press the 3 dots next to Folder under the Target file bar. This will open Windows Explorer. Here I navigate to the folder I'd like to save the cut sheet to. Now I can open Windows by pressing the Windows button on my FC6000, which is the bottom button in the row when in landscape orientation. This will open the taskbar and the Start menu. I'll press the folder icon in the taskbar, which opens Windows Explorer, and I navigate to the location I saved the cut sheet file to. If I double tap the file, the text file will open in Notepad, showing me the recorded data. Here at the bottom, I see I have a fill of 0.435 and an offset of 1 millimeter for my first shot, and a fill of 0.402 and an offset of 2 meters for my second shot. The next two values are relative to the point I staked, therefore they have no offset. Please note, positive values are fills while negative values are cuts, as well as offset values are negative on the left side of the line relative to the direction of the line I'm staking. And there you have it. You now know how to create cut sheets in Pocket 3D. This information can be passed off to clients and foremen in the field to keep track of the layout you've provided. Thank you for watching and happy surveying.